It's like I can't do no wrong, I know.
Hi Money Loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup based off of this contouring filter on TikTok. I believe my face shape is an oval on a good day. Today's a good day, so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So if you all want to see me do this soft glam beat with this TikTok filter, then just keep on watching. Starting off with my eyebrows, I'm using the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil in the color Deep Brown. Now this first part of the video is based off of another trend on TikTok. It's using the perfect eyebrow filter. According to the filter, my eyebrows are a little thin and short. So I'm going to be filling my eyebrows in with this pencil as well as extending it towards my nose. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in the color 385 Amber, and I'm cleaning up any mistakes I may have made when filling in my eyebrows. Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to use on my entire face. This is my first time using this product, but this is also a trendy product on TikTok. The purpose of this product is to smooth the skin, fill in lines and wrinkles, and to create a poreless surface for your makeup. Now that I've let the primer set, I'm going in again with that L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer, and I'm starting to shape out where the concealer goes based off of the filter. For my liquid contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Espresso. Now for my foundation, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the color 505. And I'm going to be placing this foundation in all the places I did not place the concealer and the contour. Now it's time to blend. I'm going in with my Real Techniques makeup sponge. Starting with my concealer, I'm going to be blending out all of my makeup. Then I'm moving into the foundation and lastly, my contour. It's really important for you guys to blend out your makeup completely to where each product you put on your face all melts together. To add some highlight to my face, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the color 365 Cashew. I'm going to be placing that highlight concealer under my eyes, on my nose, and on my upper lip. To set my concealers, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 20 Light Medium. When setting my concealer, I make sure to put the most powder in places that I crease, and that's under my eyes and in my laugh lines. To set my contour, I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm starting with the color Sculpt. In addition to setting my liquid contour, I'm using that same brush to wipe away the loose powder from my concealer. This also helps blend all of the makeup together, as well as adding warmth to the rest of my face. To add depth to my face, I'm going in with another brush and adding the contour shade from the Black Radiance True Complexion palette. Focusing this contour shade along my jawline, my cheekbones, as well as my nose. After I finish my nose contour, I like to go in with that loose setting powder to help reshape my nose. This helps it to appear a little bit smaller. Now to add some color to my cheeks, I'm going in with my Milani powder blush in the color Blossom Time Rose. Now this is not required, but in case I get flashback when I'm taking pictures, I like to go in with my Ruby Kisses No More Blemish powder in the color Golden Glow, and I'm going to put it in every place that I put and set concealer. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going in with the color Taza and focusing that color on my outer corner as well as the crease of my eyes. In addition to that, I'm taking the color Fez and focusing on the outer corner because it's the darkest color. I wasn't able to catch the second color on film, but you can see how that turned out in the next clip. Now for my eyelids, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Golden Glow powder, making sure to only place that in the corner and middle of my eye. And of course, we go ahead and finish that off by blending it into the other two colors. Now I was feeling myself today, so I decided to go in with the color Taza and Fez and underline my eyes. Now I'm taking the shade Aziza and I'm just going to place this in the inner corners of my eyes. Add a little glow to my makeup. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in That Glow, and I'm taking the colors Bubbly and Dripping in Cold and highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and my upper lip. To set my makeup, I'm going in with my NYX Matte Finish setting spray and spraying my entire face and letting that dry. For my lips, I'm going in with what's left of my NYX lip pencil in the color Cocoa, and I'm lining my lips. On top of that, I'm taking my Milani Satin Matte Lip Cream in the color Lavish. To lighten the inner of my lips a little bit, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Concealer in the color 365 Cashew. And for my gloss, I'm adding in LA Colors Lip Shine in the color Dollface. Off camera, I did finish off my eyes with a mascara as well as a black eyeliner. Those products are in the description box if you guys want to check that out. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.